Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw funds from PayPal for dropshipping, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from PayPal for your dropshipping business, start by logging into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section. In the wallet section, you will see your available balance. Locate the withdraw funds or transfer to your bank option and click on it. You will be prompted to select your withdrawal method. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to do so now. To add a bank account, click on the Link a Bank option. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details accurately. Once your bank account is linked, return to the withdrawal menu. Select your linked bank account as the destination for your funds. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details to ensure accuracy. Then, click Continue to proceed with the withdrawal. PayPal may show you the estimated time for the transfer. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction by clicking on Transfer. After confirming, you will receive a notification regarding the status of your transfer. Wait for the funds to appear in your bank account, which can take a few business days. Keep an eye on your email for updates from PayPal. Once the funds arrive, you can use them for your dropshipping expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.